See how Tachyonix makes the purchase order approval process easier. Through the purchase order, you can access all the information needed for your decision making. Get data for items, suppliers, customers, materials, in addition to previous order history to assist in the best possible choice for your business. Go digital and mobile with your current SAP version. With Tachyonix, you can approve the order anytime and anywhere with the application direct from your pocket. Gain agility in your business with modern apps. Transform your business with all the velocity and practicality that Tachyonix can offer you by taking your SAP anywhere. And get the best out of your SAP and improve the user experience. Navigate between different pieces of information dynamically. With the tablet, you can access data and information summary and graphics, with updates in real time to help you approve the purchase order. Establish a seamless migration process without rushing. Everything in a few clicks. Visit tachyonix.io for more information.